All right, so this is what a clean cabin air filter looks like, and this is what a dirty one looks like.
What's going on, guys? My name is Rami and welcome back to the channel. Another week's episode of Arky's Garage. In this week's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to properly install the cabin air filter in your vehicle. Now, every vehicle has a cabin air filter. When you're turning on the air conditioning or the heat, you're getting clean air inside your vehicle, and that air gets filtered through the cabin filter. Now, with time, this filter can build up debris and build up pollen and dust, and it doesn't work as efficiently as it once did. So I'm gonna be giving you all the tips and tricks on how to properly and safely install the cabin air filter. Super easy, super quick, won't take you more than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's get after it. All right, to change out this filter, I'm working on a 2014 Toyota Camry. This process can work on all Toyota and Lexus vehicles. So first, we're gonna open up the glove box, gonna clean out all the extra stuff that we have in here, the manuals and everything. And then right back here, we'll see a tab. All right, kind of change the angle of the camera to give you a better view here. So in the back here, you have this little kind of door clip at the right side. So just gonna undo the clip and pull it right out, okay? Now behind that, we're gonna have another enclosure, another little door. So there's a clip on the right, and there's gonna be a clip on the left too, I believe. Yep, take out both those clips, pop this out, and right there is the cabin filter. We just slide it right out.
All right, so this is what a clean cabin air filter looks like, and this is what a dirty one looks like. It's just so dark. It's clearly dirty. So much pollen and dust in here. So you are inhaling all the air that's going through this filter. So this is gross and dirty, and this one is clean and new. So we're gonna put the new one back in. And you just literally reverse the steps. You put the new air filter in. Make sure it's in there all the way. Get this back cover. It'll say up, so you just face it up properly. Clip it on. And then finally, just get that final cover, angle it to the side, and then put it back in. And there it is, the new cabin air filter.
And just like that, we were able to replace the cabin air filter in this Toyota Camry. So this is the old one, again, really old, really gross, really dark. So all that air that's going into the ventilation system is filtering out through this. So now we have a clean filter, which means we'll have fresh air and a better ventilation system in the vehicle. I will also link the cabin air filter in the description below. I got it from Walmart. It was about 12 bucks. Really cheap and really easy to do yourself. I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos coming out every Tuesday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.